everyone, I'm going to show you what to do if Google suspicious activity. So if Google detects suspicious activity on your account, it may temporarily restrict access, ask you to verify your identity, or send a security alert. So acting quickly can help protect your account and prevent unauthorized access. So first is to open Google Chrome and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Now on the left side, go to Security and Sign In. Then in here, scroll down until you see your devices. Then select Manage All Devices. So scroll down and review the devices and recent sign-ins. So if you see an unfamiliar device, click on it and click Sign Out to remove it immediately. Next, let's go back. Then scroll down and under how you sign into Google. So here you can change your password. So create a strong, unique password you haven't used before. So you can use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Next is to turn on two-step verification. So adding a two-factor authentication makes it much harder for attackers to access your account. So click on it and follow the setup instructions. Next, you can also review third-party app access. So scroll down a bit until you see your link apps. So click See All Link Apps. Then in here, so remove any unfamiliar or unused apps. So click on it, then scroll down and click Delete All and confirm it. And that's it. So again, let's go back. Then let's scroll up a bit, and in here you can also review security activity, and you can also run Google Security Checkup. So Google provides a built-in security checkup that reviews sign-in devices, recent security events, password strength, third-party access, or recovery information. So complete any recommended actions, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching.